How to fix CapCut Not Exporting slow, lagging and crashing problem CapCut editing.
Perfect.
While exporting videos from CapCut, many users worldwide face several issues like CapCut exporting slow, CapCut is lagging while exporting video, CapCut can't export video at all. Now, if you face any issues which I mentioned already, then you need to watch this video and learn the ultimate way to solve your problem. So let's get started. First, open Setting. Scroll down to Additional Setting. Scroll down to the Developer option. Make sure to turn on the Developer option. Scroll down, find this option, and tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. After this process, scroll down and enable the Always Shows Crash dialog option. After that, find out the option for Graphics Drive Preferences. Now find CapCut, Editing Apps. Tap on the CapCut. Choose a system graphic driver. Quickly after that, tap Open the CapCut, tap the setting icon, tap Clear Cache, tap OK. Now let's talk about low storage. Low storage can cause crashing issues for your CapCut mobile apps. Now the next process you need to follow is Open Setting, tap About Phone, tap Storage. Now you need to find out which things take more space. After that, you can tap Clear to remove some junk files, or you can remove some unwanted apps or games from your Android device. Also, you can remove some large files from your device as well. After having sufficient storage for your Android device, now follow the last process. Open Setting, scroll down to Apps, tap Manage Apps, look for the CapCut application. Tap on it. Now tap Auto Start, tap Other Permission, tap Display Pop-up Windows while running in the background. Also enable Other Permission. Now go back, tap Battery Saver, enable all the setting, tap Clear Cache, tap OK. Before you do anything, check for updates for CapCut mobile apps. Now, after following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve your CapCut keeps slow or lagging on Android, and you'll be able to edit with CapCut. If you still have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.